to. All right, you guys, here's our handy-dandy GLX.
It's Friday afternoon at 3:45, and most students are on their way to the game or on their way to their Xboxes at home. So why are these 6 students voluntarily staying after school?
All of us are going to go down to our water detention pond at the south end of the campus and take tests on the quality of the water. So we have a machine like this. This reads all the data. And then we have like 4 plugins right here where we plug these little readers in, and this one reads, this one reads pH, so you put the water in this, and this little data stick reads the pH, and we have a bunch that read dissolved oxygen, pH, phosphate, nitrate, temperature, and turbidity.
And why is it so important that we do these measurements?
Well, we care about the water here on campus for the detention pond because when we have rains, all of the water from our asphalt, obviously the ground can't soak that water up, so it runs off, and there's chemicals on the asphalt from our cars, or oil from our cars. There may be other contaminants and stuff, and we have to make sure that doesn't go directly into the Sacramento River or the Deepwater Channel. It needs to be filtered out first, and one of the best ways to do that is by using a natural marsh, which we have here on campus. It's called our detention pond, where all the bad water goes.
And so members of the Water Quality Management Team venture out into the marsh every 2 weeks to check to see if the detention pond is doing its work. And according to the advisor, Jennifer McAllister, it is one of the most important jobs of Engineering and Science Academy students at River City High School.
This is a real life problem. We only have 1% drinkable water in the world. So we want to make sure that we keep our water clean for health reasons, but we also care about the environment and the wildlife. And one of the things we'll see out there is probably some diversity, because the detention pond is doing a wonderful job of cleaning the water. We have a good pH, we have good phosphate readings, nitrate readings, and what's interesting is we can see a difference just 50 feet. From when we take measurements every 50 feet, we can see how the marsh is cleaning the water in our measurements. So, yeah.
This is Alyssa Hinojosa for Raider TV.